All right, gang, check it out. Our upstairs shower, it's got a big window on one side, big glass door on another. I absolutely love our shower, but the one thing I don't love is the water spots, the water stains. And so we have picked up a brand new squeegee for our bathroom and could not be happier. This is the trick to keeping those windows, those doors looking nice, streak-free, soap scum-free. It's just simply at the end of your shower, use one of these. That's the whole secret. Now, we used to have a squeegee that we kept in there, but it was one of those plastic ones that had like the little rubber edge. And, you know, the rubber edge wore out very quickly. Plus, mold and mildew would actually build up on some of the ridges in the plastic pieces. And that's why this design here is a genius. It is one solid piece of silicone. Now, obviously, it's wrapped around some sort of rigid handle on the inside, but overall, it is one solid piece, so the water just falls directly off of this. It gives you a big old working edge, so the rubber side isn't going to wear out quickly, and you're not going to have to throw away your old squeegee. You can just keep using this one time and time and time and time, and year and year and year after year. It's also got a big old hook design on the end, perfect for just slipping over the door. You don't have to put any kind of other hook inside of your shower to hold this up. It's got one built in. Overall, happy with this. It's well thought out, well designed. The all silicone design just makes a huge difference. Overall, if you are looking for a good addition to keep your bathroom shower clean, check this out. I think you're gonna love it. It is by dancemoon.